TensorFlow, Argmax, Min. I just noticed an unexpected, at least for me, behavior in TensorFlow. I thought tf.argmax, argmin, operates on the ranks of a tensor from outer to inner, but apparently it does not. Example. tf.argmax takes two arguments, input and dimension. Since the indices of array R are rows, columns, I would expect tf.argmax R, 0, to return the index of the maximum element per row, while I would have expected tf.argmax R, 1, to return the maximum element per column. Likewise for tf.argmin. However, the opposite is true. Can someone explain this behavior? Generalized every n-dimensional tensor T is indexed by Ti, j, k, ... Thus, T has rank n and shape, I, j, k, ... Since dimension 0 corresponds to I, dimension 1 to j, and so forth. Why does tf.argmax, and argmin, ignore this scheme?
Think of the dimension argument of tf.argmax as the axis across which you reduce. tf.argmax R, 0, reduces across dimension 0, i.e. the rows. Reducing across rows means that you will get the argmax of each individual column. This might be counterintuitive, but it falls in line with the conventions used in tf.reduce_max and so on.
In an n-dimensional tensor, any given dimension has in one dimensions that form a discrete two-dimensional subspace. Following the same logic, it has in two three-dimensional subspaces all the way down to n1 n-dimensional subspaces. You could express any aggregation as a function within the remaining subspaces, or across the subspaces that are being aggregated. Since the subspace will no longer exist after the aggregation, TensorFlow has chosen to implement it as an operation across that dimension. Frankly, it's an implementation choice by the creators of TensorFlow, now you know.
이번 수업 기록 패스트스 코피